La lluvia no me detiene, pa' que andamos at the chrome shop. Right here in H-Town. Bought some stuff for the truck. Some Lugnut covers. A rato le voy a poner un train horn. I got a quote on the train horn. No más pa' soncear, decía el chichas.
No más pa' soncear.
Air hose kit. I got this right here, my boys at the chrome stop. My CB radio. Show you guys how to install that too. And also the lug nuts that I got in the back. And I still haven't got no bed covers too. I got my TV in the back, man. I gotta set that up, man. I'm having a hard time. But it is what it is, man. Bueno, man, vamos a ponerle aquí esto. Unas rolas del Maca, puro Nuevo Laredo, Tamaulipas a la bird. Mi tierra querida, pa. A huevo. Solo para mi compa el Vini que me pasó este MP3 del Maca. My homeboy got me jamming to him, dog. I'm like, dang. Que se quede con madre el güey. There you go. Se quedó. Tractor trailer. Alright guys, so yesterday I couldn't do the video of the lug nuts because it was raining hard. So now it's sunny today. And I already got the first wheel. Yeah, these lug nut covers are nice because all you gotta do is just screw them on there. Nice and tight. Already got this wheel set up, so let me get on the other side and I'm gonna show you on the last lug nut how to tie it up and secure it. What I did on these old raggedy ass ones, I just, so they're like real tight, I just hit them with the hammer. And that's it. I gotta save these for spares, but yeah, that's all I did. Let me put it on this side and I'll show you how to tie them. So I got the screw ones, the screw-on ones, because those are better, because they're the ones that you just push them in there. But like I said, they tend to fall out when you're in the middle of the highway, so these ones are more secure. All you gotta do is screw it on to the bolt over here, just like this. All right, so it's already getting tied up, so you gotta tighten it as hard as you can. Put all your cojones on there so it can stick there. So it can be nice and hard, you know, like me. That's how she likes it. Oh, wheel number 2, man. Real nice, man. Damn it, boy. That's how I like to roll, man. See how it is on this side. Su pinche madre. That's how I like to roll, man. Well, guys, I ran into a problem. Had to change the water fluid engine because it wasn't sporting. And I made it to work. I got a aftermarket engine from Kenworth. It was 20 bucks. So, and this is the original. We gave out on the way to Houston. It was working when I was at the dealership, but it gave out, so easy fix. Managed to get one for 20 bucks and hopefully it'll do the job. Top off the washer fluid tomorrow before I go to orientation. Let's start working on Monday. So this is the engine. Walk around, little pack car. I believe is the M13. You can see it's got a 100 PM badge right there. Next PM 455,000 miles. So it's just been maintained. So that's a good thing. Yeah, man, you can see it's a good condition, man. I dig it. Everything's all good. Wires are in place. Not too many hay wires everywhere. Everything's nice and neat. Yeah, man, I dig it. I dig it, man. It's a good truck, man. I drove it around today to get the empty weight so I can get the tags. And I already put the lug nut covers over here, so it'll look kind of mean. I don't like them in the back because you can hardly see them. I might get the little ones, but other than that, man, I'll go hard on the front because that's where it shows. That's where it really shows. I don't know why people put long tubes in the back if you can hardly see them, but in the front, woo! Out of sight, man. Out of sight. I instalé la tele, already installed the TV over here. Drilled the mount over here in the back. Tried to push it as back as I could, but I couldn't do it, so that's all it fits because it blocks over here on this side and then on that side. But hey, go hard or go home, man. I don't want to remove this because this is part of the microwave. I try to remove this, but man, I can't do it, so try to see how to remove it. I'll try to remove it later on, man. We're gonna take off the batteries though. Probably put it at the house just in case my little niece comes for a sleepover or something. I already got the little mattress for that. All right, man, time to tidy up and put the tools away and start organizing my truck so I can go ready to roll out on Monday. I got the board squished out over here. This used to be right here and vice versa. I was talking to my boy Ham, thinking about probably switching out the stereo and see if I can get I got a double din, a Pioneer at the house. It was it was my first Pioneer radio that I had on my truck, and might just connect over here. And if we put a universal mount, I mean, I think it will fit. And if we had to cut it down in order to make it fit, well, it would be perfect. And just take this off and see if we can put like a little pouch in there to put my pins and all that good stuff, papers and all that good stuff. But shit, man, I need to get one of these brand new because somebody posted this. I hate when they do this, man. Put your phone on, I don't know what the heck you put there, man. The little ball that was right there, I took it off because I'm not even gonna use it. But I'll save it just in case I need it to install something later on. All right, I'm right here in orientation. Got the WW rolling, dressed up already in my truck. Truck number and DOT information. Ready to rock and roll on Monday, man, here at WW Rolling. There we go. Aquí andamos, guys, aquí en HID Kitz. Brought the Poderosa over here to get some HIDs and lights replaced. La Big Red. Aquí está el jamón. Jesse Turner number 2. Eta. Río Verde. Vamos acá andamos. ¿Cómo andas, güey?
Good, man.
He said everybody's gonna get excited, be like, what? Maito back at HID Kids? What happened to HID Kids? Dice la raza. Yeah.
What happened to Maito?
O sea que andamos
It was deported.
al deporte, güey, andaba jalando pa making money, la money maker.
Maito was deported back to Guatemala.
Telecito. Matehuas, güey, puro Matehuas San Luis. Maito Chansey repping Matehuas.
30 people, man. What's the bot?
No, pues aquí compré ya esta mamalona. They already seen part 1. They're gonna be uploaded pretty soon. This is part 2, so we're doing a little installation of the HIDs and LEDs. So all my truck driver pals on the road, man. Bob's over here, the HID Kids. Right here on Beaumont Street. You can find it right there on Google. Bobtail over here, man. They got HIDs. What you got? Batteries too, no? Yeah, what? You got 18-wheeler batteries, yeah.
18-wheeler batteries. When you warm.
Cheaper than Lowe's, man. Because over there in Lowe's, they're trying to rape people, man. T8 también.
So you bring your cords, you're gonna come buy a 18-wheeler battery.
Okay.
So a lot of people try to buy batteries and they know they need to bring the cords. You don't bring them, they're trying to get away with it. So bring your cords.
There you go. Just ask for Chewy or for Ham. They'll take care of you guys, man. All the drivers out there, man. Want a bobtail down here to HID Kid? Well, my boy said you could bring the trailer too, so. Well, they said to block all the. There you go. You gotta get it done, man. You gotta get it done. Yeah, so it's right down the street from Love's on 45 and Patton. It's like, what, like 10 minutes? Around there? Yeah, on Patton? Yeah, like 10, 15 minutes. 45 Parker. And there's a Hardy toll road right here, like a half a mile. So yeah, just look up HID Kids, man. I'll leave the link in the description, but you got the phone number right there. You got the logo, man. They'll take care of you guys, man. I've been doing business with these guys for years. They've been doing my sound system. They've been doing my lights on the truck, my pickup. And I'm like, you know what? I got my first semi. I'm gonna get my lights and stuff for these guys, man. Trying to rock and roll
All those guys, he was working at the Chevrolet.
Yeah, I was working at the dealership before I became a truck driver, man. It's been more than what, 15, 16 years?
Not that long.
Not that long, like what, like 12 years, I guess? 2012, I guess?
Whenever you bought your truck, what year is it?
It was 2014, but I knew you guys way before that. Like 2013, 2012.
2014.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, 20, yeah.
What were you driving before that?
Dodge Dakota. Dodge Dakota. Yeah.
That's what happened?
Yeah, my dad, he has it. Yeah. Aquí andamos, guys, como quiera. We'll show you right now the finished product on the truck right now when it's done.
That's before I hit that 1 million miles already.
Yeah.
Tiene más millas que el camión.
Shit, mine has 450,000 miles on this truck, man. Yeah. Yeah, it's still got a lot of life, man. Yeah. All right, we're gonna shut it down for right now, man. I'll show you guys the finished product right now. You got the finished product over here, man. Man, now I'm gonna be shining everybody on the road, man. Look at that. Got the low beams, high beams. Got these bad boys changed too, so it's gonna be bright. And if it ain't bright, it ain't right, brother. That's HID Kitz model right here, bro. Alright, guys. So it's time of the truth, man. It's already getting kind of dark. I'm go ahead and show you guys the lights that I installed earlier today at HID Kitz. Let's see. Man, look at that. Real bright, man. I'm telling y'all, man, you need to come over here and mess with HID Kitz, man. I did it for my pickup truck. Now I'm doing it for my semi. Let's see how bright it looks. Holy shit. That's bright, bro. That's super bright. I already lowered down the contrast. But you can see, man. That is super bright. Look at that. Brights up the whole street, man. I'm telling you, man, I need to come over here and mess with HID Kitz, man. It's a bright, dude. So bright, man. Even without the high beams, man. Still bright. Man, they dig it, man. I dig it. All right, man. Ready, set up, and ready to grow, man. Got my TV mount set up. Got my sound bar all tied up, secured. My microwave. A little bit of mess in the storage. Got my PlayStation 5. My bed. Ready to rock and roll tomorrow, man. Woo! All right, man.